During British rule in India, an English officer who had learned the local language would often roam around and interact with the locals. One day, while passing through a neighborhood, he heard an Islamic scholar telling people, "This entire universe is created by Allah." The Englishman interrupted and said, "No, it came into existence by itself." The scholar calmly replied, "If you have any proof, then present it before everyone." The Englishman challenged him. "Fine, come tomorrow at 11 a.m. to this place and bring everyone." The next day, the crowd gathered. The Englishman arrived on time, but the scholar was nowhere to be seen. Time passed. 11 turned into 12, then 1 o'clock. Finally, around 1:30, the scholar came walking quickly toward the stage. The Englishman mocked him and said, "If you had no argument, why did you gather everyone?" The scholar smiled and replied, "That's not the case. I left on time, but I had to cross a river, and due to heavy rain, no boat was available. I was waiting on the shore when suddenly a strong wind blew. A tree fell, broke into pieces. The wooden planks shaped themselves. Nails came into place, and a boat was formed. I used that boat to come here." The Englishman laughed loudly and said, "What nonsense. A boat can't build itself." The scholar looked straight at him and said, "If you believe that even a small boat can't form by itself, then how can you believe this vast, complex universe came into being on its own?" The Englishman was stunned. His arrogance vanished. He bowed down, touched the scholar's feet, and said, "Today, I have found the truth. I accept Islam."